Good morning from Hanoi. We woke up this morning and it was very foggy, but the weather has since turned around and is shaping up to be a beautiful day here. We are super excited because we are going to be cruising around Ha Long Bay for the next 3 days and 2 nights. We're going to be swimming, kayaking, seeing some amazing views, and we cannot wait. Cruising in Ha Long Bay has been on our bucket list now for a couple years, so to actually be able to check it off is gonna be awesome.
Woo!
But first, we have about a 2.5 or 3 hour drive through the Red River Delta to get there.
Yeah. Headed to a rest stop. Look at these views, I'm freaking out. It's a pearl farm. They're oyster shells. Oh, that's so cool. 1893. Succeeded in producing the world's first cultured pearl. The more you know.
Well, that was a cool little pit stop. Watch the workers extract some pearls and do some other work with the oysters. Now we gotta find our van and continue our way there. Thank you very much.
Made it to check-in. Now we're about to leave in like an hour. We got a welcome drink. I think it's tea.
Yeah, it is. I tasted it. It's good.
Yeah. Ooh, love that. So we're just gonna hang out here for an hour, and then I'm so tired. The views are already gorgeous. Getting on the boat. This is nice. Holy cow! Are there pedals in my back?
Yeah, they're actually in your bag. There's a few. Ciao. Ciao. Thank you.
Alright, checking into our room. This is so nice. Oh my god. Let's show you around. To start us off in the bedroom, we have this massive bed. I think it's bigger than a king bed. Do you see it?
It looks massive.
It's like this much, above 5'10". I think it might be like almost 7 feet. Is that a foot?
You're 5'10". That's close to a foot. Yeah.
Okay, anyways.
Now that we spent enough time on the bed.
Okay, what else we got? This is like fabric, that's fancy. Bedside tables. Ooh, the AC's right here. Robes. There's a bunch of storage, an extra blanket, a safe, and a mini fridge. We also have a little makeup area, something. I see a bee or a bug. That's not great. We'll get out later. Beautiful little area, but you can also lounge on this day bed if you want to lounge and look at the view. Look at me, just relaxing. And then the bathroom is exquisite. There is a what's it called when they have claws? A claw bathtub?
Clawfoot tub.
A clawfoot tub. That didn't work at all. It's just looks fancy. We got a huge sink. We got a toilet, which is important. And we have a beautiful shower, and my favorite part is this clawfoot bath that overlooks the view. I think you sit this way. I mean, are we kidding? And the absolute best part about this room is the balcony. It's just beautiful out here. I can see us spending a lot of mornings and just a lot of time out here on the balcony watching the mountains rolling by.
We have 2 mornings here.
What I say?
A lot of mornings. This just may be the nicest accommodation that we've ever stayed in.
Ever.
Not even kidding. Absolutely gorgeous.
Let's eat. definitely on the top deck, and it has this overhead with like a bunch of chairs, which is nice because of the shade. And then a bunch of sunbeds in the sun. It's really hot right now, so hopefully we'll be able to enjoy this more later. Apparently the sunset tonight is gonna be amazing, so I'm very excited to like see it tonight.
Already this is shaping up to be about as good, if not better than I expected. The boat is, well, I guess it's a ship technically. The ship is super nice. The views so far have been insane. The sheer cliffs with the water and the greenery on them, absolutely magnificent to see.
And there's a bar up here, so I wonder what we're drinking later. Our captain is also driving the boat right up here. I always wave and say, hello. And by wave, I mean head nod. There's also a jacuzzi at the front of the boat, which is so cool. It's kind of hot though. I'm gonna check the temp. It's hot. And this is on the same floor as the main dining room.
Thank you. Yes.
And there's rooms up here on the second floor. I think they're more like family rooms or rooms for multiple people. And down on the first floor is our room. There's also a reception area here and a spa room, and they have water somewhere, so we're gonna fill up our water bottles and stay hydrated because it's hot. Apparently there's a sauna too. But you can definitely get a massage here, it just costs extra, but everything else is included except alcohol. Bunch of rooms down this hallway. Oh, this one's ours. There we go.
We have about 30 minutes until our hike. I say hike because our activities person said that it's 80 steps up a hill and then through a cave that's about 400 meters long. So it should be cool, but yeah, pretty interesting. I didn't know that this activity was gonna be a thing, so pretty excited about it.
Classic us going on a tour on a boat and then being like, we're going hiking in an hour, and we're like, what? Why would we go hiking on a boat cruise? Very classic, but I'm very excited. She did say he got claustrophobic, so I'm not so excited about that. All of the Orchid cruises have seemed to be stopped right here. It looks pretty cool. I feel like part of the squad. I'm about to hit something. And now we're doing a little hike, so let's get going.
Gotta take a bus to get to the hike. Let's do this.
In total,
Thank you.
And for this time now, we are here got in the central Kappa National Park.
Thumb crouch. This is not my favorite. Oh wow.
Gotta be careful here. Gotta get low through some of these. Hey, just got back. Pretty cool in the caves. They were made of limestone. They were used during the war at some points. They were used for like other things we kind of heard about. Our guide was a little bit in front of us. So we couldn't hear necessarily all of it.
And the island is called Woman Island, Cat Ba Cat, something like that. And it has a population of 45,000. Apparently it's a huge island, and the one that we're gonna be like circling around, and tomorrow we'll be like kayaking maybe? I don't know. We don't have the full itinerary. Well, we do, but we just are like enjoying not having like to deal with our own schedules. Like they're telling us where to be, so we're just like going with it.
Tonight we're going swimming. Our guide was like 5 o'clock down on the first floor. We're like, see at 5. Like that's all we know.
Yep.
So we're taking it minute by minute. Didn't need to do the caves.
Didn't do the caves.
It was one of those things where it's like, oh, like if we don't go, like we don't know what we're missing. But now that we went, we're like, yeah, didn't really have to do that. But still cool.
Still cool.
Happy to be here. The sun's starting to set. It's gonna be really, really pretty, I think.
We're just hanging out before we swim. We each got drinks, and look at it's a butterfly. Someone just went for a swim, so it is time. We finally anchored here. I think we're sleeping here tonight, and let's get in the water.
Well, swimming was awesome. The water was a very good temperature. Honestly, wasn't too hot.
No.
And I really wouldn't say it wasn't too cold either.
No.
So, felt good. A lot of fun jumping off the boat. We just ate dinner. Really good first day here. So we're going to end this video here, and we'll pick it up tomorrow when we wake up and do more activities here in Halong Bay.
Big day tomorrow.
Huge day.
See you then.
See you then. Good night. Really, really foggy. It's shaping... It's kind of hard to see in the camera right now, but off in the distance is some mountain. R? Is the mountains?
R.
Oh, I guess another one.
I'm glad you're riding. Lower.
So we're very excited for that. Swimming.
I do not look great.
You look so good.
Oh my god.